Hey guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp, and we are doing Kirkland's Christmas shopping vlog. Let's get in here and see what's going on. Let's shop. Okay, 20% off Christmas pillows. This is all their Christmas stuff for Kirkland's. They got a sale. Let's go. Oh, it is so beautiful. Oh, look at that. It's a pretty sleigh.
It's the season.
I know, I'm trying to see how much it is.
How much is it?
59. I feel like you can make that. I
Too
know.
late.
I wouldn't be able to make it up, but I wouldn't. It's too late. Hold on, Mom. Let me start over here. Let's see, this like the farm look. Let's see. That's $12. That's pretty. You could buy 3 circles, 3 different sizes, and make a snowman. The lanterns are big too, guys. And this is Let It Snow. That's pretty. Okay, that's a no-no.
Yeah.
That is a deer head. I don't want that on top of my tree. Oh my God. That just scared me. But I do want to buy this tin. Maybe that either the tin or the wood pieces to make it look like a fire. Or either the tin. So I'll have to figure out which one I want to put under there. That tin is pretty, and it do match the theme of that one tree that I got. Let me see how I look around this corner. So we saw these in Hobby Lobby, remember? And they just put the Noel sign in, so that's a good gift that we saw. And I actually like these.
And look at that.
And there's another one. Oh, this is hanging. Supposed to be up there. Okay, well, all right, we'll keep looking. My daughter and my mother love Kirklands. They love Kirklands. Now, I like the farm look, but my mother loves this. All right, and my daughter is, her and my mother is twins when it comes to this. Now, I like this. Okay. Now that's a lot of metal right there. It's a lot of metal. So look at the doormats. Christmas house. That's pretty. You know, Kirklands. Oh, guys, that reminds me. Today, out where I live at, 93.1, Christmas music will start at 4 p.m. today. Look at my mother. She just got super excited. Everything in my house be glued to that. That's what Christmas music. I torture everybody. Right. That's when they said go off January. The 1st, I believe they were saying. Okay. That's gorgeous. How much is that? Oh, it's 74. It was higher than that. They lowered it. That red truck. It's huge. It's a big one. And I feel like you could buy a spruce and put in there. That's 24, and it's 25% off all of this. I like these, all the homemade balls. The pillows, I love Christmas pillows. 19. I feel all over the place. Special Delaware Santa delivery. Santa made. Oh, look at him. He's so soft. He got a little hat on. 19. Okay, the giant Christmas lantern. You know you could buy just a lantern and then put all of this in here. No, they do. They sell just the lantern.
Oh, do they?
Yeah. That's pretty. Okay, this is what my daughter wants. She wants these balls right here. These initial balls to go outside her house. I think they are gorgeous. That is fantastic. That's a great idea. Look at that. That's gorgeous too, that big Christmas sign. Oh, I love this. I think that'll be pretty. And surrounded with Christmas cards.
But this is cute.
That's. I was just gonna say this is cuter. I like this one.
Yeah, yeah. Put outside the door. Two of them.
That'll go nice, mother, on your table outside that.
Yeah.
Here's a window. It's like a wreath on a window. Now that's nice. I like that. Look at this whiskey barrel, $159. I like that. I like this. This $39 for the galvanized things with all of that see-through.
See, I need them big.
Yes, I need mine big. Okay, so that's a big giant wreath. Here's another one. Merry Christmas. Oh, let me see. So this is the hanging one. Instead of the look, see, so like the big balls over there, they got the ones you put against the wall.
Put it on your door like a wreath.
That's pretty. Or you could put them down the hallway. That'll be cute. Look at that, merry and bright. Okay, so, oh, look at that. Another elf on the shelf. Bells.
Those are cute, $4.99.
Those are cute. Oh, this time. What's $4.99?
Oh, there you go.
Okay. $4.99 ornaments. Those are cute. But look, that's even pretty. I like that. And those are $5.99, but they $4.99. They took $1 off. I guess that would be the percent.
All of them is $4.99.
Oh, that's pretty.
No, they said starting at. No, it's
Starting at. Oh, look at these. I swear the theme is black and red this year. It's the theme.
A lot of stuff is black and red this year.
Perfect color. And it, you know, like, so this year I feel like that color is black and white or black and red. Those go around and they go around your tree.
You set the tree down in.
Yeah, you remember the ones we used to set the trees in? Now people don't do it no more. They do all kinds of stuff. I saw one girl had a pail, like one of these, and her tree was sitting down, the trunk of it was so pretty. And she had all them balls and stuff around it.
Okay.
So that was pretty. Like this is pretty. It's a lot of cranberries. Like, it's a cranberry ball. And it's $7.99 from Kirkland's. Oh, look at this. I feel like I need to make that. A lot of that. That's pretty. Okay, this is the spooky deer head that was on top of that tree. Will not be buying that, but I can tell you how much it's $59. That looks so scary to me. I don't like that. Okay. So friends and family, 20% off your entire purchase in Kirkland. I feel like it's time to start stocking up for Christmas. And what are these? These are the flags, Christmas flags. This is pretty, yeah. That's the red truck, you all know that. This the initial bell is popular. Them initials are popular this year.
This is so cute for a couple.
It's dark to me though. It's cute, but it's too dark.
We'll go get on your white tree.
Yeah, but I felt like that tree was a snowman before. Remember the first year I got it, it was a snowman. The tree was itself. So these are a stack of more. What are these? But it's a basket. I swear that shows how I see abstract because I thought that was stacked up. Okay, this is a stocking holder. Now you see this, the stocking holder, and it's now that's pretty because this is a stocking holder.
That's different.
So Merry Christmas. I don't know if you all can see that, but see how the stockings hold up on that? And it's a reindeer and it holds the stockings. Now that was a brilliant idea. Oh wow, look at that. That's $54 for the Christmas deer stocking holder. Oh, look at the steel galvanized chain. Oh wow, that's pretty. Let's see. $79.
That's cute though.
It's worth $79. I will get that.
Put it under your tree. That's worth it.
Now that's gorgeous. Yeah, I swear I would end it with that thing around my tree. I better watch it. Look at this thing. That's pretty. In the matter. That's a big butt.
That's a big
Look
butt.
at that. Oh, here it is.
there goes
It's an
bigger
elf butt. It's an elf butt. See, $26. It's an elf butt. And here is the snowman heads. Got elf legs that always be stuck down in the ground, and like in the chimney hole or something. Oh, I feel like that's gonna fall. Okay. And we have more ornaments. Look at these little popular. Back popular again. I like this. Guys, it's time to grab these ornaments. Oh, look at that. Kind of iced. These are kind of iced. And these are really, really super shiny. I wouldn't mind having a bench. I'll put it right when you come in from my back door.
Yeah, right.
Squeeze it, yeah. That's why I put it there. That's nice. I like all of those. Okay, guys, that ends our Kirkland's Christmas shopping vlog. I hope you all saw some things you wanted to pick up and give you some ideas on what you want and the prices. Bye.